Hey everyone, welcome to day one of the 10-day AWS Essential Challenge. Over the next 10 days, we are going to explore how to use AWS from the very basics all the way to monitoring and managing systems like a real DevOps pro. But before we dive into the technical steps, let's start with a simple question. What exactly is the cloud? Think about the apps you use every day. Netflix, Instagram, or even your email. You don't keep those servers in your home, right? They run somewhere out there in massive data centers. And you just connect to them through the internet. That's what cloud computing means. Instead of buying expensive servers, companies rent computing power and storage from providers like Amazon Web Services or AWS for short. You only pay for what you use, just like electricity. If you use more, you pay more. If you use less, you save. Simple, right? Now let's talk about AWS, Amazon's cloud platform. AWS started back in 2006 and today it's one of the biggest cloud provider in the world. It offers over 200 services, everything from servers and storage to databases, AI and even security tools. Big companies like Netflix, Airbnb and NASA use AWS every single day. And the best part, you can use the same tools they do, right from your laptop. AWS is literally everywhere. It's divided into regions like Mumbai, Frankfurt or Virginia. And each region has multiple availability zones, which are basically secure data centers. This setup helps AWS stay reliable. Even if one data center goes down, your app can still run from another. So, when you choose a region in AWS, you are actually choosing where your data lives. Inside AWS, there are few key services you will hear about a lot. First one, EC2. These are your virtual machines, like renting a computer in the cloud. Second, S3, a place to store files, backups, or even websites. Third is IAM, control who can access what. Fourth is VPC, your private network inside AWS. And later, we will talk about CloudWatch, which keeps an eye on all of it. Now, you might be wondering, how much does all this cost? Good question. AWS works on a pay-as-you-go model. You are billed only for what actually use. And if you are just starting out, there's a free tier that lets you test many services without paying anything for the first 12 months. You can also track your usage and spending using tools like AWS Budgets and Cost Explorer. So, to sum it up, AWS is like a digital toolbox filled with everything you need to build and run application in the cloud. It's flexible, powerful and used by companies all over the world. And trust me, once you understand the basics, you will realize how much you can do with it. That's it for day one. You have learned what AWS is, how the cloud works, and what makes it so powerful. In day two, we will jump inside the AWS Management Console, and I will show you how to explore the cloud hands-ons. Stay tuned. Thank you.